Daniel, say hey to everybody.
What's up, everybody?
All right, so obviously he's got short hair, he's got this great beard. What are you thinking?
I think we should taper down the sides a little bit and then leave some of this length in through here. So it'll give you a much stronger square shape. It's going to be like a lot more flattering for your head shape.
Perfect.
And then yeah, we'll just texturize the top and just kind of clean it up, make sure it blends nicely.
I love it.
Blend the beard.
Yeah, absolutely. Just taper that in a little bit, make sure it's nice and cleaned up.
Awesome.
Very good.
Sound good?
Sounds good. Yeah, sounds great.
Good, man.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. It looks like what happened here was a crown snatching, that's what I call it. So that's when the clipper just like runs right up, right into the crown, just cuts it completely off. Doesn't blend well, it doesn't flatter anyone's head shape. It's just too short for the back.
So what should you do?
Well, I'm building up some weight in here, so just kind of, because this is where the head rounds, so we want to create a nice shape in here and not make it look too flat. So by leaving some extra length there, it just kind of helps build some weight and kind of fill that corner in a little bit.
Perfect.
Same thing with the sides too, like I was saying, like in through here, see how this kind of flattens out?
Right.
If we take this really short, it's gonna round off your head,
Yeah.
and it's just not gonna be as flattering, right? So because the head shape kind of protrudes a little bit more, that's why we're taking that down and through there, and then that's gonna build up some weight in here, making it look more leaner and slim. Secret to a good fade is how you blend it. So basically with a traditional fade, you wanna put in your weight lines and then you wanna blend them out. And just making sure it gets like nice, gradual, and there's no harsh weight lines left over.
Time to style. We're gonna be using the soft putty for this one, all right? You don't need a ton of it. All right, David?
Yep.
Hang on. All right, gotta make sure you emulsify. That's the trick to basically getting that hair product to activate, all right? And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go in, make sure you get down to the root, and then I'm actually gonna apply a little bit of texture powder on top of the soft putty. Just need a little bit, all right? The texture powder is gonna go in, it's gonna soften it up a little bit, and it's gonna add nice, weightless volume.
Yes.
Well done, what do you think?
Feels great. I love it.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Ooh, gentlemen, if you're ever in the Atlanta area, why don't you come check us out at Salon Posta. I'm gonna link to us down below. There's also gonna be a link and a discount code to Pete and Pedro if you guys wanna check out any of the amazing hairstyling products that we offer. David, you killed it.
Thanks, man.